Hey, you guys, busy mom here speaking to another busy parent or just somebody who's busy but loves to still cook homemade food. This pancake batter, waffle batter dispenser is the absolute best invention ever for the kitchen. It saves me so much time, so much mess. So we cook a lot of waffles, we cook a lot of pancakes. And so when we try to always pour the batter, we either pour too much or not enough, but this thing really takes the guesswork out for us. We just mix up our batter, we pour it into the batter dispenser, and we pop on the lid, and then we squeeze the handle, and one squeeze literally puts out the exact amount that we need for this little mini Dutch pancake maker. Two squeezes, we can usually fill up our individual waffle makers. Like, we really just figured out how much for each squeeze that we need when we're making either pancakes or waffles or mini pancakes like this right here. This thing has been a life changer. It's a lifesaver. I would definitely recommend grabbing one. It's easy to clean. You can throw it right in the dishwasher or hand clean it, but it is the best invention I ever bought for my kitchen. I would definitely recommend this.